In this video, we'll cover creating agendas and table of contents within Grunt. Grunt agendas help you do a number of things, but most importantly, they sync size, position, order, and formatting. In this video, we'll also cover some tips and tricks. For example, toggling an extra text field from the main toolbar, double-clicking to go to a chapter, and right-clicking to create sections from chapters. To get started, go ahead and navigate to your Grunt ribbon up here. From there, simply click on the agenda object. You'll see something like this pop up. From here, the first step is to right-click on the agenda object itself and snap it to placeholder. From here, you can add chapters in two ways. The first is to navigate back up to the ribbon and insert a chapter. And the second is to hover on the agenda object itself, and you'll see this blue button and line appear. From here, you can insert any number of chapters you like as well. Pro tip, if you double-click on this chapter, it will take you to that chapter. Say we want to add some subchapters now. Similar as to adding chapters, you can do this in two ways. First, by going up to the ribbon, or by hovering here and seeing the blue button and line appear. First, insert a chapter, click on it, and then increase the indentation. You can even add one more layer of indentation by inserting the subchapter and then increasing the indentation. Let's double-click to go to the beginning again. From here, as you'd expect, you can of course adjust the content. So let's maybe give this a name, as well as this one. You can also adjust the style and formatting. Just click on the chapter that's highlighted, and you can make whatever changes you like. So maybe let's give this a brighter blue and a greenish tint. Maybe bold it. And now you can see across all of the highlighted chapters in the presentation, it has mirrored the style and formatting that we set in the first one. So this, of course, ensures that it's consistent across the board. If you want to change the order of your presentation and hence agenda, this is also quite simple. You can actually go ahead and just grab, let's say, the first chapter and subchapter and just drag it wherever you want to place it next. So maybe let's change this out with the second chapter and subchapters. Perfect. So now you can see keynote and the subchapters are in the upfront section, and then introduction follows afterwards. Finally, there are some changes that you can make to the agenda broadly. Click on the entire agenda object, and this will take you to the main toolbar. From here, you can add different text fields. For example, a responsible column. You could use this to assign someone specific, or use it however you like. For example, maybe a room number. If we click back to the main toolbar, you can see that you can also add a page number column. You can always either remove or bring back these columns, and Grunt will remember what you had saved before, so you don't need to worry about losing that data if you choose to hide it once. Finally, if you right-click on the entire agenda object, you can create sections from chapters. And when I click this, you'll see that automatically on the left, we've created different sections for all of the agenda slides, and they have the same name that we've assigned them in the direct agenda object. Of course, very useful for views like this that become even more useful when we've actually populated the presentation. Last thing to note, now that we've populated our entire agenda with various different chapters, we can go back to the ribbon and insert a table of contents. And this will give you a much simpler design view if you want to use this after you've created your agenda object as well.